friends, I hope you're having a good day today. So I'm going to be trying something a little different than I normally do. I am going to perm my eyelashes today. I was doing a lot of research about eyelashes and eyelash extensions, etc. I don't think I would ever do that because you have to keep filling them. But one thing I was very interested in is perming of the eyelashes. And so I bought an eyelash perming kit called Vassoul Lash Lift. And this is a combination of a perm, fixation, nutrition, and cleanser. So I've never done this before. I have not even opened this box yet, so you're gonna be seeing this as I first do it. So let me open it up. It looks like there's several steps here. So there is the eyelash fixing glue, there's the O1 perm, there's the O2 fixation, O3 nutrition, O4 cleanser, and then you've got a cleaning tool and some lift pads. So let's see if I can find the instructions of this thing. Oh, they're right on the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and take all these little pieces out. I have to tell you, when I told my mom I was going to be doing this, she was freaking out a little bit. She was like, oh my gosh, perming your eyelashes. That sounds dangerous. Hopefully it's not. All right, so I'm gonna follow the instructions on the box. And by the way, what's the point of perming an eyelash? The goal is to get your eyelashes a little curlier so they fan out a little bit. I don't know if this is gonna do anything. If it doesn't do anything, that's okay too. I just wanted to try it. So it says step 1, use the cleanser solution number 4 to remove oil, dust, and makeup residue. So it comes in a little bottle like this. I'm gonna just get a cotton pad, so like this. It kind of seems like this kit has multi-uses, like you can do this multiple times. It seems like there's enough solution in here. All right, so I'm gonna take my cotton pad. I'm gonna just get it wet with this cleanser solution. And then I'm gonna just take this over my eye. By the way, I think I'm gonna go ahead and zoom way in so that you guys can see what I'm doing with my eyes. Okay, so I'm just taking this cotton pad here and cleaning off under my eye, basically all the eyelashes. And I had a little bit of makeup on there. I'll do this on the other eye. Okay, so step 1 complete. Okay, so now it says step 2, select a lift pad. So it came in this little box. Get a pad that best fits the length of your eyelash. So I'm gonna take this out. They're like rubber feeling. So what I need to do is look at the size of my eyelashes. Now my eyelashes are not very long. So there's these curved sections here and they seem to be different lengths. So it looks like they've got, you can barely see the writing on it, but small, medium, or large. And I think I'm gonna do small. And there are 2 small pads. I'm gonna choose these 2. All right, now I'm on step 3. Apply false lashes glue on the lift pads, then place it over the eyelid and align it right above your eyelashes to make sure it stays. So that is lashes glue. Oh, okay. So it's gonna go right over your lid like this. There's not any pictures on the instructions, so I'm just going off what's on the box. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this eyelash glue in here and I'm going to fix it on the bottom here and completely go up to the edge here. You can see my eyelashes are over the top of there. All right, so I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna take this eyelashes glue, called eyelash flying glue, and I'm going to paint the top of my eyelid here. Okay, now I'm gonna do the other side. I can't open my eyelid the entire way, so this might look weird for a little bit. So I'm going to put the glue on this side. All right. I think also the sizes of these pads make a difference how big your eyes are, and my eyes are pretty small. All right, so step 3 is done. Step 4, it says apply the falsy lashes glue on the lift pad, then use the Y-shaped brush to comb the eyelashes so that the eyelashes stick to the lift pad. Interesting. So this is where we're gonna take this glue and glue it up to stick to the pad. So there is a Y-shaped brush. That must be the clean tool. So that's the clean tool that came from this box. Not sure if you can see that. It looks kind of like this. It's a Y-shaped clear acrylic brush. I don't know what the Y side is for. I'm not sure what side to use, but we'll try both sides. You don't apply it to your eyelashes. You apply it right on top of the lift pad, like that. And then we're gonna take this brush right here, and we're going to push our eyelashes up. That's pretty good. It doesn't seem like they're totally sticking to the top. Maybe I need a little more lash glue. Okay, now we're gonna do the other eye. So I'm putting this lash glue on the very top like I did the other side. And then we're going to push the eyelashes up. That one actually looks super good. I feel like I want to touch this side up again. Just for my little tinkering here, I find that the rounded side works better than these little sides. Maybe that was what it was intended, but now it makes sense. I was wondering, how do you get the eyelashes to do this? You're basically just gluing the eyelashes to this little pad on top and sticking them in kind of a curled up position. It's going around that pad, and that's gonna be the curling. All right, I feel pretty good about that. I'm trying not to blink. We're halfway through. The next step is apply the perm lotion number 1. So that is the number 1 bottle that I have here. And I'm gonna apply that lotion to the eyelashes, then cover with a plastic film for 8 to 10 minutes. They didn't give me a plastic film, so I don't know what they're talking about. I guess I could get some saran wrap. Didn't give a tool to apply the actual perm solution, so I am wondering about that. As I was saying, they didn't give me anything to apply the perm solution, so I'm just gonna use like a Q-tip. I have these Q-tips that are sharp pointed. I use these for my nails sometimes. These are nail teas. I use these for a lot of different things, even cleaning out a keyboard. I'm gonna apply the solution with one of these. I think that'll be appropriate. I am surprised that the kit didn't come with something for that, so there's a negative piece to this. All right, so I'm gonna take the lid off of 01, and I'm actually gonna just dip it right in there. It goes right in the top there, and it said, apply the perm lotion. It does smell like perm. Apply the perm lotion onto the eyelashes, then cover the plastic film for 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. I cannot believe I'm perming my eyelashes. All right, I'm gonna do it on the other eye now. I would say do this at your own risk if you're gonna do this. This is usually done in a salon, and of course it's strong chemicals around your eyeball, so this is probably not a entirely safe activity. So if you do this at your own risk. All right, I will be back in 10 minutes. It's gotta sit for 10 minutes. I think I'm gonna just lay down for about 10 minutes and put maybe a piece of saran wrap over my eyes. So I will be back. Okay, I am back. I have just rested for 8 to 10 minutes, and I am going to do the next step. The next step is the fixation step, and so this is bottle number 2. Apply the fixation solution number 2 onto eyelashes, then cover with plastic film for 8 to 10 minutes. So I'm gonna do the same exact thing that I did before. I'm gonna take one of these little like pointy Q-tips that I use for my nails and get this blue kind of lotion. Do each individual eyelash here. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side. All right, I think I'm ready to go now. So 10 minutes on this side, and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I just waited 10 minutes, and that was the fixation solution. And now I'm to step 7 and 8, which is use the cleaner solution number 4. So that's this one. And I'm going to actually clean off the residue. So I'm gonna take these, dip them, and clean off the residue. I feel like there's steps missing because it never says take off the pads. Sometimes directions aren't completely thought out when it comes to beauty products, I notice, but it is what it is. We can read between the lines. All right, I'm feeling pretty good. I'm gonna do it one more time. All right, so cleanser done. And now we're gonna do nutrition, which is number 3. It says to place the nutrition solution to nourish the eyelashes. And that has kind of a nice smell, slightly perfumed. This kind of feels more like a oil maybe, or oil based. Okay, we have gone through all the steps now, so I think it's time to take off the little pads that are stuck to my eyes. So, all right, so I'm ready to take these off. And this one. Okay, I'm back, and you may be wondering, I'm wearing different clothes. This is a different day. Had a little technical difficulties with the ending of my video, so just wanted to come back and share my final thoughts and let you take a look at my eyelashes as they are right now. So bottom line is, do I think the eyelash perming did anything? I do think it did actually make my eyelashes flare up. I'm not sure how long it's gonna last. I can really tell my eyelashes are pretty blonde, and so it was very hard for me to tell like right away, but as I have been applying mascara, the mascara seems to flare my eyelashes out quite a bit more. So I'll zoom into one of my eyes here so that you can see the way it looks. Now I do have mascara on. You can see my eyelashes are quite a bit flared out, and it seems easier to apply mascara, and it's definitely more impactful when I see the mascara on my eyes. If I had dark eyelashes, that probably would be the case if I didn't have mascara on, but because my eyelashes are so blonde, I can really only tell when I put mascara on. So I did not use an eyelash curler or anything like that. I just put regular mascara on, and this was the result. And this is like almost a week later. It is still like this. So I'm pretty impressed with the results. Yes, it was a little bit scary putting like perm solution on my eyelashes so close to my eye. So that's the only thing that maybe makes me a little bit nervous about other people doing it. So I would just say, please, please, if you do this, be careful and follow the instructions on the kit that you get. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love to have you. And I hope each and every one of you are staying happy and healthy. I'll see you next week. Bye.